Hey everyone, welcome to Dude Let's Draw. I'm Yoko, and today I'm going to share with you the secret to hundreds of free digital brushes, if not thousands, that you can use in Procreate by using, believe it or not, Photoshop brushes. Let's go! Let's draw. Procreate already comes with amazing brushes, but sometimes you want more texture, more styles, or something unique. But why use Photoshop brushes? And how do they even work in Procreate? Well, Procreate actually supports a wide range of file formats, which are .brush, .brush set, and .brush library. However, the key is that Procreate actually supports Photoshop brush files too, and they're called .abr files, or just .abr. That means there are thousands of free brushes online that you can use instantly. Here are a few trusted places where you can find free Photoshop brushes to use in Procreate. ResourceBoy.com. This website is no joke, especially when it comes to, well, resources. You can find plenty of brushes for your design and art needs. Go to brushes here on the right and search through their library. You just never know what you're going to get. Ooh, a crayon brush. Next, brusheasy.com, another amazing website. It has plenty of brushes from hairstyles, bird stamps, graffiti, splatters, and so much more. My brain exploded going onto this website. Just note that not every brush is free on this website. You might want to just check within the info, see if there's a license needed or if you need to purchase. But I've downloaded quite a few of them, tested them out, and it works. Go have fun with this one. Last, and kind of not least, Adobe.com. Adobe's own website, giving out hundreds of free brushes. Photoshop's been around for over 36 years and has a big following, especially within the art industry as a whole. There's so many educational resources that you can translate into Procreate. Their website provides plenty of free resources as well as brushes. You don't even need an account. Just go to their website here and explore what you need. Ooh, a manga brush. Just remember, folks, always make sure the brushes are labeled .abr. Otherwise, they won't work in Procreate. Once you find the brush you like, go ahead, download it to your iPad, and have fun. Now, let's bring those brushes into Procreate. Inside Procreate, open up a new file. Let's go to your brush library. Tap the plus icon or import button. Locate your downloaded files. Tap the ABR file and boom! Your brushes are now inside Procreate. Procreate will automatically convert the Photoshop brush files so you can start drawing right away. Let's test one out real quick. As you can see here, it works just like a native Procreate brush. Some brushes may need slight adjustments, but as you can see here, they work perfectly. Just as a quick side note, I love supporting artists, and I have actually spent lots of money purchasing my own set of brushes because sometimes you can get a little bit more from buying them. Plus, you're supporting an artist who probably has spent hundreds of hours making these wonderful brushes. So send them your love and support. You never know who you might be helping. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more digital art tips and check out more of my videos here on the side. Oh, and don't forget to look at the description below to get all of the info I talked about in this video. See you guys next time. Bye!